bit of a video on how I do it. You want to undo the clamps here and remove these pipes on both sides. We'll need to take the fairings off. Next you've got this little fairing piece that sits here. Undo this little type on here. Alright, and then you've got the O2 sensor on the other side. So disconnect this plug first. Okay, that's your O2 sensor. And then once it's loose, unwind that off. And then the next part is the front part. So yeah, usually just look at this marking here. So I'll cut through here first. Be careful not to hit the sump. You can cut this, you know, gouge the sump if you're not careful. So this part, this little piece of weld here, there's one on the inside as well. You can actually just grind that off smooth with the grinder, so it gives you that a good length for it to clamp onto. Those are the first two cuts, just one cut, just straight through carefully. That's all I've done on both sides. So here's the second cut. As you can see, I've gone through on a bit of an angle there. You get the what I'm trying to do, and then you break that little piece off there. There's the cut on this side. Got that angle going. Did a little bit more trimming as far as the blade could go in to the cut. So on this side and the back side, on both sides, did a little bit more trimming, and that allows you to do that. Just working with what we've got, and there you go. And now we just need to clean up the ends, clean up these little weld parts on both sides. So I have the sanding disc there, and that's sort of what it looks like, you know. Just give it a quick tidy up, just clean up those high spots. Remember there's one bolt that goes in here. The original one's the long one. You need to just put a shorter one in, it will cut the original one down. Now you can clamp it up if you're happy with that. Put the mufflers back on and do a sound check. Now this link pipe is just the AliExpress cheap Chinese link pipe, so fitment, yeah, may not always be the best. Like this bung here didn't allow the O2 sensor to fit in, but because it's flashed, O2 sensor's turned off, so I just put the bung in there.